Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by organizing your spreadsheet with a simple 2-column table and headers. Use one column for categories and one column for values with headers. Enter numeric values only and avoid blank rows or mixed text in the range. Keep values on a consistent scale, such as 0 to 100 or 1 to 10, for clearer bars. Remove totals or subtotals that could distort the chart. Select the entire table, including headers, before you insert the chart to ensure correct labels. With your table selected, go to the Insert tab and choose Charts from the ribbon area. Go to the Insert tab and choose a 2D clustered bar chart. Click the chart type to insert a bar chart using your selected range and watch Excel draw bars for each category. If category labels appear on the axis incorrectly, use the Chart Tools Design tab to switch rows and columns. Move the chart on the sheet and resize it to fit the layout you prefer for presentation. After inserting the chart, customize axes and labels to improve clarity and readability. Add axis titles, adjust the y-axis minimum to 0, and set bar gap to 50% so bars are visually balanced. Show data labels with values and format numbers using currency like dollar or percentages, such as 25% where appropriate. Change colors and fonts to match your presentation theme, and check that the chart is readable at 16.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.